Welcome back. This is SeeWing Yi from the Year Real Estate Network, and I'm going to share with you what's going on with our North Texas investment update, which is absolutely amazing. I'm going to share with you some great data and great trends. It's all in the metrics. It's all in the economic data. So you real estate investors out there can make an informed decision of how to take action, how to create your real estate portfolio to achieve your financial freedom dream, hopefully within 10 years. All right. So with that in mind, and this is the update on DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth, North Texas. So we are talking corporate relocations, artificial intelligence, infrastructure, job growth, rental demand. I mean, does it not check all the boxes? We'll see. Watch my presentation and uh, make an informed decision. And all right. So furthermore, hopefully, if you please like and subscribe to my channel, and also so I can grow my YouTube channel, and also sign up for my newsletter so you can become a free member of our real estate investment network on below. All right. All right. With that in mind, let's proceed. North Texas, DFW. By the way, right now, the DFW region have almost 9 million people. Some of you may not know that, right? Number four. DFW is number fourth largest in the US in terms of population. Oh, in about what, 4 more years, it have 10 million people, and it will be the third largest metro in the US. And by 2100, long after we're gone, we're talking what, in about 70 years or so, by 2100, DFW, Dallas Fort Worth region will have 22 million people, which will be number one metro in the US in terms of population. Larger than New York City, larger than Los Angeles County, larger than more people than San Francisco Bay Area, where I live for the past 30 years, etc., etc., etc. And yet, there's a shortage of homes. A shortage of homes, all right? And 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 the home prices, the entry-level home prices for real estate investors are still very low where you can cash flow. I'll talk more about that. All right. So much data to share. This is amazing, amazing data. This is indisputable. What I'm about to show you is verifiable, indisputable. You have to, as a risk investors, you have to buy where the growth is at, the emerging growth. The future is not about the present, okay? All right, so the population growth rate in America's largest cities between 2020 to 2025. Of course, the major metros, the expensive markets in the US are decreasing in population. There's a mass exodus going on for years now, will continue. And all the exodus are going into where? Going into Sun Belt, mainly in the south and southeast, and some in the western region, the Sun Belt in the western region. Most people from the Midwest and from the Northeast and from the Mountain West are leaving, or there's a mass exodus. It's a generational mass exodus of population trend. Okay, so America's 25 fastest growing cities with a population of less than 110,000 in North Texas. They are look Most of them are located in North Texas. North Texas, this region have the data is just absolutely incredible. These cities like Salina, Princeton, Melissa, Roy City, Anna, Forney, uh, Fate, all these cities are located in the North Texas, one of the fastest growing boom towns. As you can see, the skyrocketing population growth between 2020 to 2025 and the percentage increase. This is absolutely incredible. North Texas have more boom towns, and these small cities are growing by leaps and bounds. I mean, by double, triple digit, as you can see by the percentage growth. It's just incredible. Okay, there are three metrics you need to know, like trifecta. The trifecta, three metrics is job growth, population growth, and migration growth. These three metrics, there's no other areas in the country you're seeing this trifecta of growth here in DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth, than anywhere else in the country. No other metro even come close to DFW in terms of overall growth. Okay, so not only that, not only people moving into the suburbs for the next generation and beyond. There's a new word you need to understand. The new vocabulary is exurb, is beyond the suburbs. This is the path of growth for years and decades to come, even after we are long gone, our generation. Exurb, EXURBS, is beyond the suburb. We're talking 30 to 50 to 60 miles beyond the major metro. So, okay, so you will hear about this word for years to come if you are want to become a long-term real estate investor, right? Because suburbs, that's where the growth are. That's where you can buy more bang for your money, larger homes, very cheap, very affordable. So everybody's moving away from the core metro of all the major cities in the US, not just Dallas, Fort Worth. Okay? Again, in Dallas, DFW, exurbs are growing faster than the city and nearby suburbs. As you can see right here, right? Frisco, Salina, McKinney, Greenville, Forney, Midlothian, all over the exurb of DFW. Guess what? Jason Hong, I think his name, he's the CEO of NVIDIA. And NVIDIA CEO bets on AI project. They're going to Sherman, Texas, one of the boom towns in North Texas. I talked about it quite a few times. That's why AI and chip manufacturing with chip manufacturing and Texas Instrument, we're talking 20 to 30,000 high-tech workers are entering the Sherman, Texas market, where Sherman, the town itself, have only like 55,000 people. So in the next few years, those high income paying high-tech workers will comprise of like 30% of the Sherman, Texas population. And the home prices, the entry-level home prices in Sherman is only about low 200K, and you can cash flow quite nicely on brand new construction if you buy at this particular moment, which is happening, right? So what we do here in the Universal Network is we do turnkey new constructions, 99% passive, okay? And North Texas is one of our core markets. Corporate headquarter relocations for the last few years in DFW is number one in the nation, okay? DFW leads every metro in America for corporate headquarters, attracting in the past 7 years. And Texas Metro Breakdown, DFW, 111 corporate relocations compared to Austin, 88, and Houston, 31. When companies move in, jobs follow, driving housing demand, infrastructure investment, and long-term economic growth. Look at this $876 million data center mega project is going on in Texas, okay, in Fort Worth, are getting a piece of the pie. Look at this. Look at these numbers, right? Look at these numbers on your own. This is absolutely amazing. AL infrastructure demand is reshoring to the US. DFW wins because of strong infrastructure, reliable power, workforce depth, and business-friendly environment. So DFW is accelerating where other areas in the country are stalling. 200,000 jobs added this year alone. DFW alone outpaces many entire states. Okay? Job growth, household formation, rental demand, ownership, and appreciation. I mean, it checks all the boxes. Gen Z and a DFW rental market. 88% of the DFW Gen Z are renters. So if you buy an investment property in North Texas, then you will find a very good high quality tenant. Most of them are Gen Zs in their 20s and in their 30s. Okay. Affordability barrier, job mandate effect, generational shift, and investor implication all plays a role in having a very good rental market scenario in North Texas. So $2 billion in tech investments signals North Texas growth. Like I said, NVIDIA, Coherent are in Sherman, Texas. Sherman, Texas is a high-tech boomtown, if that's an understatement. Okay, the deal, the local impact, and for investors like you and I, this is outstanding time to take advantage of this market environment. Okay, NVIDIA announces a $2 billion multi-year strategic agreement with Coherent Corporation, which operates a major facility in Sherman, Texas. This positions the city as part of the global semiconductor supply chain. Okay, so Grayson County, in which Sherman, Texas is part of, is growing by leaps and bounds, all high tech, everything. And of course, DFW is the Wall Street of the South. You know, the nickname is Y'all Street, quote unquote, right? Texas in general, not just DFW, is a national financial powerhouse. Okay, they are creating a Texas stock exchange, which is mind-boggling. What the macros gets right and what to stress test is the confirmed tailwinds. DFW is a major corporate relocations. Texas job creation consistently outperformed the national average. Migration trends are very durable and enormous infrastructure investment and rental demand. The stress tests are these: supply responds fast. Austin saw rent declines despite growth temporarily, but GDP headlines, rate sensitivity matters, even in strong markets. DFW is not monolithic. Frisco is not part of Dallas Prosper. You know how many boomtowns located in North Texas? Like I count like 40 boomtown little cities with population of 30,000 people to 50,000 people. These little cities in the exurb of DFW, they are growing by leaps and bounds. Okay, this is not hype. This is not speculation. It's just fundamentals playing out in real time. DFW, the market that compounds. Look at this. All the recent data. North Texas growth surge continues. 7 DFW area suburbs named top boom towns. Okay. Louisville, McKinney, Frisco, Denton, Allen, Mansfield, Fort Worth, based on increase of housing units and labor force. Fortune 500 companies headquartered in the state. In California, there are 56. In Texas, just beat California with 57 Fortune 500 companies in DFW, North Texas. Isn't that incredible? Okay. And even the hockey, the professional hockey, the Dallas Stars are moving into the suburbs in Plano, Texas, I believe. All right. So as a result, our team on the ground, our turnkey provider in North Texas, our property management, been doing it for more than 20 years. Currently, we have off-market deals all over North Texas. Furthermore, we have builder incentives. All this builder rate buy down, nothing out of your pocket. You're paying a low mortgage rate on your deals and very, very, very below market rates. Okay, all these amazing incentives, rate buy down, closing cost assistance, first year property management is free. The list go on and on. So Texas take the Fortune 500 crown from California, as we mentioned. Okay, and here are some of the deals. Okay, I'm just giving you some sample deals. You can have to contact me to go over some of those deals we have on a weekly basis. They come and go. These are off market, is not in the multiple listing service. These are cash flow, turnkey property ready to go in the fastest growing towns all over Texas. This is just a sample. All these are cash flow, right? You see, look at these amazing entry-level homes, nice, clean, new constructions, very good neighborhoods, good tenants. Like I said, A-class neighborhood, A-class tenant. We even provided a pro forma for you. All the numbers are off the chart. Cash flow up the yin yang. Okay, all the incentives. Like I said, okay, the other town, some of our homes are at less than 100 grand. I mean, less than 200,000. 183, 183,000 on this small cookie cutter home. It's gonna cash for a couple of $100. Almost new or brand new construction, which is amazing, right? Look at a city of Crandall, 234K, rents for 1,700, cash flow for $612, right? And you put 25% down payment, there's a loan buy down of 3.99%. First year property management is free, but the first year property tax, you pay very, very little, but property tax is not going to reset until second year of ownership. All right, so enjoy higher than usual first year cash flow. Sherman, like I said, this is a duplex 432K, right? And on both sides, pretty new. And net cash flow is almost $2,000. Amazing, amazing. Okay, here are the pro forma. So I'm just giving you some sample. Oh, look at the single family home. Only 211K in Sherman. Rents for 1,700. Cash flow almost $600 at 25% to 30% down payment, and builder rate buy down. All these kind of incentives are not gonna be here forever. All right, all these great numbers, great cash on cash return, great cap rates, great. All the numerics are just amazing. Okay, there's a higher square footage in Sherman, 254K. We're talking 5 bedroom, 2 bath, almost 1,900 square foot, only 254K, rents for 2,000. Cash flow at 25% down payment, $866. What a screaming deal. This kind of deal you're not gonna find anywhere except through our vetted network. Okay, contact me directly. I have my contact information at the bottom of my other description. All right, Princeton, another top fastest growing city in the country for several years now. Princeton is amazing, amazing, such a fast growing. We have duplex, newer duplex 470K. It rents for 3,450 on both sides. Cash flow at 533. So these are amazing deals. Okay, great cash flow, great numbers. Single family home in Princeton, very fast growing. It's just 219K, 1,700 rent. Cash flow for $423. 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. This, I mean, 1,500 square foot. This kind of deals, look, lack of supply, the demand is very high. It's economics 101, right? And these houses will appreciate. We just don't know how much. Okay, so you buy early, buy often, get in early before the rest of the country, the mainstream, find out about it. Okay, so that's it. So at the end of the day, this market is an A-class market, cash flow market, entry-level homes, tremendous job growth, tremendous future, tremendous population growth, and migration growth. What more can you ask for? I mean, it checks all the boxes. I mean, what can I say? All right, so that's all I have to say. That's the recap. DFW is a boomtown allure. It's amazing, high-tech, financial, corporate locations, diversification of the economy in a DFW region. The future is so bright. Okay, high quality assets, brand new construction, low maintenance, great rental market, great quality tenant, great neighborhood, and the school district, the school rating is like B to B plus all over all these boom towns. Right. So with that said, that's all I have to say. And if you received any values whatsoever from this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also put your email on my newsletter. below so you can become a free member of our real estate investment network so you can receive free weekly email newsletter into your email inbox so you can learn more about real estate opportunities, real estate economics, and off-market investment opportunities if you become a free member of our network. Thank you so much. This is SeeWing Yi from the University Network. I will see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.